Hello, my name is Anthony. I'd like to share my experiences with David Saperstein and Salomon law firm. The journey of injury from the time it happens to the time of a settlement is a very trying time for any individual. I really recommend the firm to anyone who has any doubts about a personal relationship with their lawyer. We were able to establish almost a family atmosphere in which my needs were taken care of, the legality of the case was taken care of, and the results were very substantial. I recommend the firm highly. As I said, that journey from injury to settlement, it can be long, it can be trying, but with experts working with you, professional staff, the journey becomes very manageable. I feel very blessed that I chose this firm. I recommend it to anyone else, and dealing with professionals is the way to go.